Before buying a vacuum for your Berber carpet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many vacuums might seem suitable, but they can damage the fibers of your carpet. So, let's dig deeper into what actually works without ruining your precious floors. Product number 1, Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum. First up is the Bissell 2033M Featherweight Stick Vacuum, priced at just $39.99. What caught my attention here is its weight. At under 4 pounds, it's super easy to carry around. If you want a lightweight vacuum that works on both hard floors and your Berber carpet, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum features a 3-in-1 design, meaning you can convert it from a stick vacuum to a handheld one for those tricky areas. With its 1.4 amps of power and a 15-foot cord, you won't have to worry about running out of battery mid-clean. Plus, the bagless system is a real bonus. You can see when it needs emptying, so no more guesswork. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The powerful suction works wonders on low-pile carpets like Berber, picking up dirt without damaging the fibers. It has over 112,700 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, so lots of people are clearly happy with it. Now, some people complained about its smaller dirt cup capacity. It holds only 0.67 liters, which might require more frequent emptying than you'd like. Here's the thing though, if you want something lightweight and easy to maneuver, that's a trade-off you might be willing to accept. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller space or just want a quick cleanup tool. Skip this one if you have a large area to clean regularly, as you might find it a bit inconvenient. Product number 2, Eureka PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum. Next up is the Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum, retailing for $74.25. This one caught my eye with its 5 height adjustment settings, making it adaptable for both hard floors and Berber carpets. If you want a vacuum that provides a deep clean without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The 8-amp motor delivers powerful suction, and with a 2.6-liter dust cup, you won't have to stop as often to empty it out. This vacuum is also equipped with pet tools, which include a turbo tool and a crevice tool, making it ideal for pet owners. With over 5,700 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, many users have praised its performance. Now, some users mention that the brush can get clogged with hair, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, if you're diligent about cleaning the roller brush every couple of weeks, it shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a versatile vacuum for all types of flooring. Skip this one if you prefer a more maintenance-free option, as it does require a bit of upkeep. Product number 3, Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. The third product is the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, priced at $79.99. I found this canister vacuum appealing due to its portability and powerful suction. If you want a vacuum that can easily clean your entire home, including furniture and corners, this is worth your time. The 2.5-liter dust bag means you can clean for longer without interruptions. It's versatile enough to tackle various surfaces and even comes with extension wands for those hard-to-reach places. Here's why this matters for you. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, especially if you have stairs or multiple levels. With a 4.3-star rating from 14,200 reviews, users appreciate its effectiveness. However, if you don't mind replacing bags regularly, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially for the performance it offers. This is ideal for you if you need a powerful vacuum that can do it all. Skip this one if you want a hassle-free bagless experience. Product number 4, Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Coming in at number 4 is the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $139.97. What really drew me to this model is its tangle-resistant design. If you're tired of dealing with hair tangles while cleaning, this vacuum might just be your best bet. It features a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 50 minutes, which is fantastic for larger areas. Plus, the easy empty dust bin means you can dispose of dirt in one quick motion, making it convenient. With a 4.2-star rating from 13,500 reviews and a focus on effective pet hair removal, This vacuum really shines in homes with animals. It even has a 5-stage filtration system to capture allergens. Some users noted that the suction power can drop as the battery depletes. Here's the thing, if you plan to use it for quick touch-ups, you'll likely find it adequate, but for deep cleaning, you might want to recharge it first. This vacuum is perfect for pet owners or anyone who values convenience and ease of use. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty vacuum for extensive cleaning tasks. Product number 5, BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Last but not least is the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner, priced at $99.99. This product caught my attention because it's marketed as a portable deep cleaner. If you're dealing with stains on your Berber carpet, this could be a lifesaver. It's designed to lift and remove over 100 common messes, which can be a game changer for any household. With a large clean water tank, you can clean more without needing constant refills. Plus, it includes special tools for tough stains, making it incredibly user-friendly. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 94,000 reviews, it's clear that many people trust it for their deep cleaning needs. The fact that every purchase also helps save pets is a nice touch. Some users mention that it can be a bit heavy for prolonged use, which is something to consider. However, for those tough stains, the effectiveness outweighs that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for anyone needing a targeted cleaner for stains and spills. Skip this one if you're looking for a general-purpose vacuum instead. So there you have it. The BISSELL Featherweight is great for portability, while the Eureka Power Speed and Canister offer versatile cleaning options. If you need something cordless and lightweight, the LEVOIT is your best choice. And finally, for deep cleaning, the BISSELL Little Green will tackle those tough stains. Depending on your specific needs, one of these vacuums is sure to make your Berber carpet look fabulous.